Hi, I'm John with Dean's Safe Company. We generally carry over 5,000 safes in inventory at any given time, and we like to bring in some unusual safes. This one happens to be a Fort Knox, and they call it the Blackout. And I mean, it is black everywhere. The logo is black, the handle is black. It's just a good looking safe. Well, you know that Fort Knox probably builds the highest quality safes in America today. They do a wonderful job on this kind of stuff. This thing weighs 1,000 pounds. It's a Defender 66'37. So what it means, it's 66 inches tall, it's 37 inches wide, and I think it's 27 inches deep. Add 4 inches for the handle. Weighs 1,000 pounds. It is, let me see, this is all 10 gauge. Door's a little thicker. Let me open this up for you. We got a digital lock on it because I want to show you the inside too, which is really impressive on this thing. Bound. A lot of these locks work a little different. Right away you feel the mass in this door, but look at these bolts. I think I got to get around the back side of it because it has a detent to keep people from throwing the bolts and slamming on them. So if you slam your bolts, you'll bend them. But look at this, all these bolts are black, including the corner bolts, which is really cool. Now on the inside of this safe, the only thing that's not black is this. So thankfully they've got room for more Velcro pistol holders. But look at this, it's going to be hard to see, but this black velour interior is absolutely stunning. And they didn't go light on the features. It has a light kit that turns on when it's plugged in. And it's got an outlet down here, which we'll take some pictures of, but this thing is just gorgeous. I can't get over it. It's just beautiful. Come into the showroom and take a look at these things. They're absolutely fantastic. And it's built with the same Fort Knox quality. You probably know that this is a UL rated product. It is fire protected, and they test it, I'm not sure how long, but they tested it 1,680 degrees for 90 minutes. That's pretty good. Now most people test these gun safes at 1,200 degrees. They don't want the inside temperature exceeding 350 degrees. Now this one, it was tested at 1,680 degrees for 350, and the internal temperature managed to get up to 275. So it had a long way to go. So Fort Knox is a great safe. We're very proud to carry them. We've carried them since, I believe it was 1984. I just wanted to mention that. And we don't carry junk.